Yung ICD-10 ho, ginawa ho yan ni WHO. Hindi si DOH, hindi si PhilHealth. It's the World Health Organization. These are codes na merong letter pati may number. This is basically used for statistical purposes. Merong ICD code for dengue, for sepsis, pneumonia, depende sa staging ng mga cancer, may mga specific na codes yan. Why? Kasi ho yung codes, yan yung language sa healthcare na, o ilan ba ang dengue sa Southeast Asia? So, hindi na ho nila isusulat yung detalye ng dengue. May mga codes na lang. The exchange of information is using the codes. Okay? So, lahat ng illnesses may specific na code. So, even the illnesses that will be surgery in reference, meron ding code. Now, okay, ito po, the relative unit value, iba din. Yan yung RUV. Okay? Yung relative unit ho, ang difference na to is ganyan. The RUV is a unit. Okay? Ang unit, ibig sabihin, meron siyang specific number, okay, that is related to amount. So, appendectomy. So, ang RUV ho, para lang yan sa mga procedure. Okay? Yung ICD-10, para sa mga non-surgical. Sa mga medical. Okay? Non-surgical or, ang tawag namin sa PhilHealth yan, dalawa lang yan. Procedure and the non-procedure. Okay? So, parang surgical and non-surgical. So, kapag surgery at procedure, RVS yan. Hemodialysis, may sariling RUV yan. Okay? Tracheostomy, may sarili. Suturing, meron. Debridement, okay? Close reduction of the femur, meron yan. Craniotomy, meron. Sa ICD-10 naman, mga diagnosis yan. Ang ginawa ni PhilHealth ganito. Each ICD-10, okay, may sariling presyo. Ganun din sa case rate. Ganun din sa surgery. May sariling presyo. Okay? So, the moment nag-MGH yung doktor, yung final diagnosis, i-convert yan into ICD-10. Pag nag-MGH ang surgeon, yung RVS code na nilagay ng surgeon, i-convert yan into amount. Okay? So, i-convert yan ngayon into a package. Yan ang significance ng coding. Okay? So, si Doktora Sunshine, okay, pinatrain ho yan para maging ICD-10 coder. So, bakit? Because it's very important na yung final diagnosis, tamang final diagnosis should have a tamang ICD code. Why? Kasi maraming hospital nakasuhan. Yung diagnosis is hindi tugma sa ICD code. Okay? The same with surgery. Okay? So, that is the rationale behind the ICD and RVS. Now, I'll proceed. Pag nag-MGH ho yan, sa ibang hospital, it will pass the medical records. Why? Kasi nandun yung ICD coder. Sa MCD, it goes directly to the billing. Kasi merong ICD coder sa billing. Siya ngayon ang mag-convert ng diagnosis ni Dr. diagnosis si whoever ni Dr. ni Dr. Okay, sila ngayon magko-convert, okay, into a PhilHealth package. Now, so, pag na-convert na yan into a PhilHealth package, dyan na rin yung makikita ngayon yung out of pocket. For example, ang pneumonia, 15,000. So, let's say na-admit si Jose Rizal sa MC. Ang bill niya is 30,000. Anong sakit niya? Community-acquired pneumonia, moderate risk. Okay? Si Jose Rizal na-admit, ang diagnosis ni Doc is CAP-MR. So, i-convert natin yung CAP-MR into ICD-10. Ang package ni PhilHealth is 15,000. Dahil ang bill niya, ito question, ang bill ni Jose Rizal is 30,000. Ang package na na-avail niya is 15,000. Okay? So, magkano yung excess ngayon ni Jose Rizal? Bago siya uuwi, he needs to pay the excess. Magkano ang excess niya? Okay? Can you please type it there? Okay? So, ang bill niya, 30,000. Dahil ang kanyang claim, ang kanyang diagnosis sa pneumonia, 15,000. Question, magkano yung excess niya? Okay, 15,000. Oh, ganun kasimple yun. Ganun ho yung deduction ng PhilHealth. Thank you very much. 15K. So, the same ho yan. Babawasan muna ng PhilHealth benefit para makauwi yung pasyente. Okay? Di ba? It's so basic. Now, so let us say umuwi na si Jose Rizal. Okay. Yung chart ho na nasa billing or naiwan man sa medical records, ibabalik lahat yan sa ward. Why? Because it needs to be completed. Lahat ng information dapat kumpleto. Specific for the hospital ninyo sa MCDC, okay? The ROD needs the completion of the clinical summary. Okay? Yun yung understanding ko. Kasi it's for the financial, a document that is required for financial assistance. So kaya dadaan daw yan sa ROD or sa POD. Okay lang yun. Now, ang point ko dito, pag uwi ng pasyente, nasa bahay na, or nasa bukid na ng tralala yung pasyente, okay? The hospital will now prepare the claim. The hospital will now prepare the claim. Ano yung claim? Yan yung mga forms. So kaya kailangan completed muna yung chart. Kasi kapag hindi kompleto yung contents ng chart, yung entries, pag hindi ang kompleto, hindi din kompleto yung claim na gagawin. Okay? Ulitin ko So nakauwi na yung pasyente, si Dr. Jose Rizal. So the chart goes back to the ward. Okay? For completion, the nurse will complete everything and then tatawagin raw kayo, the POD, to complete also yung clinical summary for financial assistance purposes. Now, it will take a few days and then the claims office will now prepare the claim. So yung tatlong information i-prepare nila. Clinical, the non-clinical, and the financial. Okay? So ang question ngayon, kumpleto ba yung laman ng clinical chart? Now, most of the time, it's not. Okay? I'm not saying na ang palpak is kayo. Meron din kayo, meron din yung mga consultants. Okay? So, yan ho yung inaayos ngayon. Okay? It needs to be a completed chart.